$50, $100, $150, $200. There's no better sound than hearing that PayPal notification bell go off on your phone all day, every day. And what's even better than that is when you find a system that is 100% automated, that's paying you on repeat into your PayPal account every day, even while you sleep. You're getting paid for no work. It's a simple method of finding a website that will pay you to do a job and then finding another website that will do that job for you. And the best part is when you find that particular website that's going to do the work for you, then you're free to go search out as many websites as you can find that are actually going to pay you. You just take the work from the websites that are paying you, you put it right into the website that's going to do the work for you, and then you take it back to the website that's going to pay you. Any of this sounds confusing to you, I don't want you to worry because I'm going to show you exactly how this works in this video. In fact, we've discussed this same method in previous videos, but we've never discussed this particular website. We've discovered this free website here, which I'm sure you will find by the end of this video is an absolute gold mine. We can't even count all the money-making possibilities that will be at your fingertips once you become familiar with this website. However, for the purposes of this video, we will discuss two different ways that you can make money using this website. It's beginner-friendly, and it's available worldwide, and it's 100% free. If you're still waiting to make your first $100 to $1,000 of online money with little to no work, no experience required, then watch this video until the very end and don't skip ahead, because it's the small details that you can't miss that you need to get right that make this operate correctly. So before we dive in and discuss everything you're gonna need to know, we'd first like to thank all of our brand new subscribers to Online Moneymaker from all over the world. Thank you guys so much, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, leave us a comment. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching Online Moneymaker. So we're going to be discussing this website here, NCH Software, and this can be found at nchsoftware.com. And this website offers free downloads of all different kinds of softwares in hundreds of different categories and is available for Windows and Mac as well as all your devices, smartphones, iPads, etc. So yes, you can complete high-paying jobs quickly and easily from your phone, from anywhere. Now, there are ways to make money utilizing any of these softwares, but for today, we're going to concentrate on one in particular right here, transcribing software. Now, if you weren't already aware, transcribing is a very in-demand niche. It's big business, and it's very high-paying. People will pay you a lot of money to transcribe all different kinds of things for them. And the reason this is one of the most high-paying jobs you can do is because people think it takes a long time and they don't want to do it themselves. They think it's very time consuming. So they want to pay somebody else to do it, and they're willing to pay a lot of money for your time. Well, it doesn't take any time at all with softwares like this. Just a matter of copying and pasting, essentially. You would just take whatever they want transcribed, load it here, hit a button, and then send it back to them, and that's it. It just takes seconds. And we can see that this particular software also supports voice transcription. Now, what that means is you can just speak the words into this software and it will transcribe it for you. It doesn't get any easier than that. So I suppose the next question is, how do you get paid to do this? Well, there's a lot of different websites out there that will pay you for your transcription services. Now, the first one I'm going to share with you is this, GoTranscript. That's at GoTranscript.com, and this does have transcription jobs available worldwide. GoTranscript specializes in audio and video to text transcriptions. So essentially, you would receive an audio tape or a video that they want transcribed into text format. But remember that NCH Software does support voice to text transcriptions. Now, the average pay rate is around 60 cents per audio or video minute, meaning every minute of video or audio that you transcribe into text, you get paid 60 cents. Now, that may not sound like a lot of money, but consider the fact that this is taking you no time at all. Most people are sitting at home typing this out. They're listening to it and typing it, kind of like a court reporter would. But you are just taking that file, dropping it into the software, and pumping it out in seconds. So you can do this all day long. So they say the top monthly earnings is around $1,200. I would say you can easily triple that, because not only will you be working with this website, but there's two more I'm going to discuss also. And don't worry about getting paid. They do pay you directly into your PayPal account. To get started, you just want to hit apply now and then choose the language that you will be transcribing. They support English, Dutch, French, German, Japanese, and Korean. Once you choose your language, you can sign up with either an email and a password or directly through your Facebook account or your Google account. The next website I've got for you that's going to pay you to transcribe is right here, called Scribey. This can be found at Scribey.com. What you want to do when you come to Scribey.com is scroll down almost to the bottom here, about halfway down maybe, and we will see that this is where we want to sign up as a transcriber. And this is done in 3 steps. First, you sign up as a transcriber. Second, you set up your PayPal account. And third, you take a short transcription test, which will determine your rate of pay. But being that you've downloaded free software that's going to automate all this for you, there's no reason why you shouldn't land at the top or near the top of the pay scale. And the top range being $25 per audio hour. Now remember, this is an hour of audio that's going to be sent to you, and if you were to transcribe that, you get paid $25 for that hour. But don't forget, this is not taking us an hour. We're simply taking that file, dropping it into that free software, and sending it back. It just takes minutes. This website does have a couple requirements, the first one being a good comprehension of the English language. So if you do not have a good comprehension of the English language, you might want to stay away from this one. Other than that, just a desktop or a laptop with internet connection and a verified PayPal account. But the sign-up process is simple. Just enter your name and email address and a password, and then you want to push this blue transcriber button. You are not a customer, you are signing up as a transcriber. From there, you'll be asked to confirm your email address, set up your PayPal account, and then submit a test file. They will send that to you. Again, it will be very simple. All you do is drop it into that free software, send it back, and then you are a certified transcriber. But Scribey.com offers multiple different ways to make money. What you're going to want to do after you get certified is you want to sign up, you want to be a transcriptionist, you want to do reviews, proofreading, and quality control. That's going to pay you the most money. All of this can be accomplished with that free software from NCHsoftware.com. Now, the third and final site I've got for you that's going to pay you to transcribe is called TranscribeMe. This can be found at TranscribeMe.com. TranscribeMe.com has a very similar top pay range as the previous website, $22 per hour. However, what we love about this is their bottom scale pay is $15 per hour. That's right, this website starts you at $15 per hour minimum. And again, we don't spend an hour doing this, we do this in minutes, if not seconds. And to sign up, just scroll all the way to the bottom and push Get Started. Now, full disclosure, they are only accepting applicants from certain countries, one of them being not the United States, because when I try to sign up, they are not taking anybody from my geographic location here in the United States. So this is more of a worldwide type of deal. The next thing you got to do is subscribe to Online Moneymaker and like this video. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you're the first to see these new videos we got coming with all the tips, tricks, and hacks that you're going to need to make money online every single day. Thank you for watching Online Moneymaker.